OPPO A6x 5G comes with 6.75 inches HD plus IPS LCD display and 120Hz refresh rate. Rear camera's 13 megapixel wide-angle camera with 1080p video, 5 megapixel selfie with 1080p video. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm chipset, it runs on Android 15, based on Color OS. 15 comes with 4GB, 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB, 128GB of UFS 2.2. Onboard storage, support micro SD card. Backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, measures 8.6mm thickness and 212 grams weight, and colors olive green and ice blue. Other features includes side-mounted fingerprint sensor, dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C charging, 3.5mm jack, and IP64 rating. Pricing starts at 12,499 Indian rupees for the 4GB plus 64GB model.